Let's go. Bonus.
Ooh, free spins. 8 free spins.
All right, come on, man.
Ooh, this is a good one. Come on, man.
Ooh, it's loading.
All right.
Yes.
I'll take it.
Oh, what's happening over here?
Another one.
What? Shut the front door.
You got a different kind of bonus.
Yeah.
though.
I know.
Let's go big, baby. Game on, big. 2 more things. Let's go big. Ooh, wilds. Nothing?
No. Ooh. What's another treasure chest do?
Oh, that was.
All right, 1150. 1150. Yes!
What is this?
I don't know. She cleared the
Look what
treasure
happened.
chest.
It's raining money. She got it.
Oh, and Dwayne's over here. Yeah. Cracking bonus.
Fun.
Nice.
This is the one.
These games are on fire.
Yes, they are. Oh.
Kraken. Thank you.
Yeah. More spins.
Team has the pirate horde. Pirate horde bonus. Woo! 24.15.
Bonus is up to 24. We gotta work on this one here.
Yeah.
Come on. It's a bonus duel.
It is a bonus duel.
That's what it is.
Our own personal slot tournament. 24.80. Oh, come on.
Kraken. There we go. My man.
Yes.
Yeah. All right.
Make it all.
Let's unlock this guy. Come on now. So good. Oh, what's happening up there?
Ooh, I don't know.
Come on.
Ooh, sounds like a
Somebody
winner.
won.
Oh, it's my last spin.
Last spin. Oh, okay. Making it out. That's not bad. Hey, you did better than he
You
did.
won that. Oh, it was still within pennies. What did you win? 27 something, right? She just got 27 something too.
Pretty close.
Yeah.
Woo!
No, go ahead. We're enjoying your play.